makeup free except for my eyebrows, and I'm going to be trying the Honest Beauty CC Clean Corrective with Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer. This is what the packaging look like. I'm just going to warm up the product with my fingers. So I chose this product because when looking at the ingredients with Think Dirty and Yuka, which are two apps that show the ingredients of products and what they do, if they're risky or not, this one right here came out very clean, which is something that I've been looking for. So far it's very lightweight, and I mean, it's a tinted moisturizer, so that's pretty much the point, but it does feel, it's not runny, it feels nice and thick when you rub it in, but in a good way, you know? It's not so lightweight that it feels like just a moisturizer, but it is doing quite a bit when it comes to just overall nice finish. So yeah, it's very natural, it looks good. I'm going to just conceal some of these dark spots that I have with the Clarins Instant Concealer. This has been my go-to for years. It's one of the few things other than the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer that I have right here. I like this one a little bit more because it's not matte and it really blends into the skin a lot better. But when it comes to acne or something a little bit harder to cover, the Shape Tape does a really good job at that. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So I would rate this product a 10 out of 10 for me, because it is clean ingredients, it works good, it gets the job done when it comes to a tinted moisturizer and just a lightweight foundation. And then if you want to conceal some other small spots, you can just use a concealer like you would regularly do. And yeah, I love this. This is gonna be my new go-to.